I work with a biologist whose 5-year-old child had a very high fever. The doctor gave him an antibiotic that was ineffective against the bacteria that caused the infection because he was 2 years behind the latest discoveries as the average physician. The kid got worse and they didn't understand why. They finally identified the bacteria and found another antibiotic before it was too late. He got lucky. This is why we should all care about overuse of antibiotics, considered the major threat to modern medicine, and most of them are used in animal farming. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria kill more than 1 million people per year and will surpass cancer's mortality as predicted by the World Health Organization if we don't do something about it urgently. Fortunately, many countries and organizations are taking this problem seriously and approving more stringent regulations. But even if they were banned, aquaculture still has a problem. We need healthy proteins for a growing population, and aquaculture is the fastest growing food system. Yet farmers don't have cost-effective and sustainable methods to control infections and diseases. So they have to use antibiotics even when they prefer not to. I'm an entrepreneur with a track record in developing and commercializing best-selling feed and health products, and I work with the most important experts in fish immunology, stress, and welfare. Scientists who have unraveled fish diseases mechanisms like BKD to find a disruptive solution to this problem. We wondered whether anybody had tried a way to trigger natural immunity in fish with something that comes from the fish itself, imitating nature. We had to look at thousands of molecules and get the funds, partners, and facilities to validate them. We started with salmon. We won a grant supported by Microsoft Imagine Lab and the Chilean Agency for Innovation. And we finally made it. We found how to improve survival rates, growth, and animal welfare in a sustainable and cost-effective way. We identified a protein that fits salmon's immune system like a missing puzzle piece, boosting its immunity and bypassing the inflammatory processes other immune stimulants provoke. We produced it using fermentation and incorporated it into the feed as an additive that works as a preventive treatment. We tested it with living fish and obtained almost 70% average survival rates only using our product against bacterial infections. We won the Sustainability Prize of the Global Aquaculture Challenge, significant grants, and participated in accelerators, obtaining the funding to develop a product with our innovation. And we want every producer to use it. Producers will be able to avoid using antibiotics feeding fish with our product before critical moments of the production cycle. And this is only the start. We are creating a platform powered by artificial intelligence to replicate this technology with other aquaculture species, such as shrimp. Help us spread the word. We want aquaculture to inspire and build the answer for a global problem. From fish to fish. From fish to